Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live VIPIR 6.
Our high temperature was right on target for today. We hit a high of 78. That is average for this time of year. Our morning low a little bit warmer than average, 58 degrees, and the record low, 32 degrees, set back on this date in 1988. Here's a look at our rainfall. We did have a trace of rain out of Augusta's Bush Field, but can't really measure that, so we do have a deficit of about 2.61 inches for the year. Right now it's 73 degrees in Augusta, 73 also in Waynesboro, 72 in Millen, 72 in Allendale, and in Aiken 68 degrees there, 69 over in Sandersville. So it's pretty mild this evening if you're heading out and about, and we'll see temperatures gradually cooling off as we head through the evening, around 66 by 9 p.m., 64 at 10. And there's that chance of a few stray sprinkles for the next couple of hours. Nothing heavy at all, just kind of like what we've seen off and on throughout the day already, and then it'll be mostly cloudy during the overnight hours. Here's a look at a weather photo. This one comes to us from Andy Hunter in North Augusta, and he took this photo this morning of the sunrise, and that's near the intersection of the Palmetto Parkway and Highway 1 there in North Augusta. And if you have a weather photo you'd like to share with us, be sure to share them on Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, however you want to send them to us, and we might show them on the air. So we appreciate Andy for sending that photo in. Well, where did October go? Here's a look at our forecast for the next few days. Highs will be back into the 80s, well into the 80s, and that is above average for this time of year. We should be around 78 degrees. So we are going to see a warming trend underway, and the reason why is a jet stream is going to take a dip into the western United States. So this is kind of your overall weather pattern to look at for next week. And that's going to allow some cool air to come into the northern plains and also the Rockies. But here in the southeast, nice and warm, and that is because we have a ridge of high pressure in control over the next few days. But eventually some of that cooler air will work its way into our area, it looks like, by about this time next week. Here's a look at our forecast model. High pressure in control. Now we're going to continue to see those clouds and maybe some sprinkles throughout the evening, and clouds will stick with us overnight. But you'll notice tomorrow they start to erode. That area of high pressure will start to have winds coming out of the east instead of the northeast, and that will start to erode those clouds just a little bit. So we're looking for partly cloudy skies tomorrow, then mainly clear tomorrow night. And then as we go into Monday, lots of sunshine, and that'll help us to warm up well into the 80s during the day on Monday. So here's a look at your forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy and mild, 58 in Gibson, 60 in Louisville, 60 degrees in Millen, 59 in Barnwell tonight for a low, 56 in Saluda, and we're looking at about 56 degrees in Washington as well. And then for tomorrow, a high of 79 in Evans, 80 in Augusta. And here's a look at your 6-day forecast. We'll see temperatures in the 80s for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, mid-80s. Look at that, 86 degrees on Wednesday. Next chance of rain around Thursday or perhaps Friday. Could see a few thunderstorms on Friday as well, but until then, it's going to be dry.
It's good to see 85, 86 because it has been cool the last few days.
That's right, yeah, and at least it'll be sunny, so nice weather to go along with that.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.